Binance Coin is forecast to gain 4.2% by March 20 based on Gov Capital Collector update. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. Binance Coin has moved down 3.3% in the last day and is currently near $649.20. Next up, the analysts' perspectives. Gov Capital Collector's scenario puts the price at $676.15 tomorrow, showing a 4.2% move. Coin price forecast suggests Binance Coin could move towards $656, gaining approximately 1.1%. Crypto Predictions points out the price could rise to $650.56, about 0.2% above current value. Another prediction from CoinLore suggests Binance Coin may move down to $624.63, roughly 3.8% lower. And to end, Coin Data Flow forecasts $621.29 by March 20. That's a fall of 4.3%. This one shows the best potential return. That completes the 5 analyst views. Let's continue. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. Based on the spread of views, the price may move between a decline of 4.3% and a rise of 4.2%. All in all, Coin Data Flow ends up with the highest return, with 4.3% uplift in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to earn between $2 and $43 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, Crypto Predictions' forecast is the most dependable, with a 84.8% chance of success. After aligning all forecasts, I've mapped out a clear consensus scenario. The average outlook points to Binance Coin moving to around $645.73. Let's get into the weeds a bit. The consensus outcome suggests a 0.5% fall in price. In parallel, your capital might also move higher by 0.5%. With $1,000 at stake, the outcome might suggest around $5 in return. And in this case, the probability attached to the consensus projection for Binance Coin is about 82.7%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. An upward drive is anticipated by Gov Capital Collector. Meanwhile, coin price forecast points to further upside potential. Crypto Predictions points to further weakness. A drop is meanwhile expected by CoinLore, reinforcing the downside view. Meanwhile, Coin Data Flow expects the price to slump further. The consensus stance points to Binance Coin following a downward course over the next 3 days. In short, most analysts see Binance Coin following a downward path. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the market finally closed at $652.20. 3 out of 5 analysts were correct about the trend. The most correct forecast in numbers was from Coin Data Flow. Let's move on to the breakdown. Yesterday's range included 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, a handful of positive outcomes emerged, with the best return of 3.3%. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. For comparison, Crypto Predictions reached 3.3% ROI and $21.16 accuracy. See if you can tell who had the strongest prediction this time. Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between Binance Coin and other cryptocurrencies. Binance Coin ranks 5th among the compared assets, while Uniswap projects 2.8% profitability. This segment compares Binance Coin with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison and full analyst performance data will soon be available on my website and Telegram. If this analysis of different analysts' performance made things clearer, tap like and subscribe for the next one. Talk to you in the next data review.